Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my another video. Today I am back in another Bitcoin graphs and chart. I will describe everything about the Bitcoin graphs or the market going on. So let's start. First of all, I am on the one-day chart. In on-day chart, you can see this market is going to down. If I go to on-hour chart, in on-hour chart, you can see this market also going to down. If I go to 2-hour chart, you can see this market also going to down. If I go to 3-hour chart, you can see this market is going to down. If I go to 4-hour chart, you can see this market is going to up. So it's not the exact calculation. So for this I go to 1-minute chart. In 1-minute chart you can see this market is going to up. If I go to 15-minute chart, you can see this market is going to up. If I go to 30-minute chart, you can see this market is going to up. If I go to 45-minute chart, you can see this market is going to down. So now I can calculate how the market going on. For this I go to on the chart. In on the chart you can see this market is going to down. So I create a scale and then calculate the market. You can see I create 3 scale. In that 3 scale, in the middle scale the market is now this place, and the third scale you can see it is the last stage of the market, and the second scale you can see in this scale market is going on. In last video I said when the pips was there that place, and after that he going to up, and then he go to down, and the running he is down. But I think market going to this place, and after that he going to break his position and he go to up position. If he go to down position, it's not go to so much down, he at least go to that third scale, after that he going to up. So if you want to beat here, so you can calculate it, the market is going to up. So I think everybody understand what I mean. If you want to know good prediction or know the best prediction, please comment below and share your idea. Now I can describe the Bitcoin price. Today's Bitcoin price is 29,771.90 USD. Today's Bitcoin price is on BTC is equal to 29,771.90 USD. I think everybody like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.